the gas station. You know, the trips always start off like this. I don't know where TJ headed off to. Yes, thank you.
We're gonna get not a regular patty.
I'll try anything.
Yeah, so I was gonna buy from there.
I just came to get content because a road trip always ends up at a gas station buying something, so wanted to show them that. Guys, but them patty they look different.
Yeah, look nice and fluffy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They look big.
Really puff pastry.
Wow. Alright.
Yeah, let's get some drinks.
TJ is such a gentleman, guys. They don't make them like this no more. Let me stop.
Get some water.
Yeah, the water. Thank you. What is your guys' road trip snack? Is it patty? Is it patty? Is it chips? Cookies? Just drinks? What is your road trip snack? So let me get this out the way and then I'll be right back for you guys. So it's the yeah. So yeah, it's the past the Heart Academy and then right there. Past the Heart Academy, past a house on the left. Is it an apartment complex? Yeah. I wonder if it's the same one. Alright, you can follow now. You can follow. What's on your hazard? Oh, no, wicked evil. What about the ones that are separated?
You know, so Jamaicans love goats.
To eat?
Jamaicans don't love dog. No, if it's some dog, we kick them out of the road. If it's some cow, we cuss. But goats, we stop and allow goats. Like, do you realize this? Jesus. All in the thick boat is in a belly.
Curry goat though.
You have to
Manish water.
Preserve it, no?
Manish water, Jesus.
Gosh.
This is the bridge TJ is trying
I was
to
in a low vehicle.
carry us on.
And I looked down.
From 1893.
From 18
which means
what?
it's rotten.
Okay,
So,
TJ, you can...
I was in a low vehicle and we drove and we had to go very slowly because it's low and I was seeing through to the river.
Yeah,
It's rotten.
Wow.
But if you drive this all the time, we should go to the part road.
I know it's unsafe.
Yeah. TJ's bringing us around to look at our property, guys. So I'll show you what it's looking like. But the trek to the property, it sure is. Oh, civilization. It's a nice little wall too. Okay. Where is this? Is this where DJ Khaled was staying?
So we're going over there?
No, not.
To my surprise, big 17,000 a night.
Yes?
Yep.
Well, I mean, it could be Jamaican, but geez.
Crazy, right?
Why are they that much money about that per night?
Shocked. It's you know how Airbnb have the luxury listings or what they want to call them?
I've never gone there. There's no reason for me to go there right now.
It's nice to see the properties that they have. That's all.
I'll listen here.
Wow.
Well, you know, if I bought this on condition of the bridge being shut down so y'all can't access it.
Wow, how huge and beautiful.
Yeah. Whereabouts?
Guys, you can't really see how beautiful, but wow. Maybe I can try to get a drone shot for you guys. I brought my drone with me.
And this place.
Yeah, fisherman,
Interesting.
PJ didn't tell me I was coming to the beach.
Right? Alrighty guys. Look at beautiful Jamaica. Technically it's a public beach. Just want to say sorry about the wind from now, because I can already tell that it's gonna be loud. So I'm just gonna shut up now and add some music. Guys, I hope you like those drone clips. Trying to walk my way down to the water. Well, I'm in the water now. Woo! Pretty! Woo! Not like the water feels nice. TJ is the designated bag holder and drone holder. The sun is actually so hot. Get some fresh air. And then we're gonna bless the AC. But for now, this is what I'm looking at. YouTube.
Oh, yeah, same thing.
Look at these.
That one right there is the Richard for sale.
Yes.
It's down to get to sell the front door, the one right there. Person, you know.
Yeah, this is around here.
Oh my god, this one is mine.
In 200 meters.
I acquired it last week. Wow.
We need more players like
Oh my god, what is that? Look at the gate. It's the gate for me. Oh wow. Okay, Florida, Miami. Oh my god.
I understand why you choose where you choose though, because
I feel like I'm taking you guys on. Look at empty lot. Anybody want to buy it? Oh, never mind.
we went there.
Pretty as well. Wow. I feel like I'm taking them on, you know, the Hollywood tours where they show you the celebrities' house and point and say, yes, this is Beyonce's house. That's what I'm giving you guys. Wow, I'm free.
Ultra contemporary.
This one is nice. Yep.
So we got office now.
Blows not. I'm so sorry, the cameras are extras. My fault. Ooh, when that is finished, I'm gonna make some calls. Any of your family members' houses, just hush. These are really pretty. We're just admiring. Nobody knows where we are. And you reckon they're gonna gate it up like?
Yeah, man. The fence is there already. when most of the construction is finished.
Guys, look. And definitely I had to talk the employee through making the drink. That's the best it ever came out. If you've been keeping up with the vlogs, you know the dilemma. But this is so nice. What is this croissant called?
Almond.
An almond croissant. It's looking nice, but it's not focusing. So anyway guys, bye. Look at these two taking pictures of the moon. Like, I really look at the light and then look at the moon. That's your comparison. But it's not, why is this person with their bright light? It's not picking up well on camera, and it's not picking up well on the phone either. But it's a full moon, so TJ's phone is picking it up better.
Is it taking it?
What's that, a keyboard? Oh, why is it coming up like that? Oh. So I know you thought we were done, but we're not. We're gonna get some hot wings. Oh my god, is it KFC hot wings? I thought it was Pizza Hot wings. Wow, next level. Even more happy than before. Because wings from KFC it's my thing. Guys, we're finally in Ochi, and Paul brought me to check out this cafe boutique that they have. It's called the Courthouse, Ocho Rios. I've been seeing their Instagram, and thanks to Paul. You haven't seen Paul in a minute. And if you remember Paul, guys, drop a comment down below because you're OGs. So we're gonna check it out, and I'm gonna take you along with me. Just pause and read if you want to see some more information about this, and let's go on in. So they sell art. If you want to come down, if you want to get some great local artwork to put in your apartments, your homes, or your restaurants, or you know, whatever you have, like, or support local in general, then yeah. This is actually really pretty, and then the cafe is upstairs, so we'll go and check out that bit later. So we're up at the cafe portion. Oh wow, guys, this is really nice. This is really nice. I've seen this painting before. Oh yeah, guys, so I've seen this painting a lot. So we had to chop it up to Roystonia really quickly. Paul is showing some of his clients some of the lots that they have at Roystonia, and I can share some more information with you if you'd like, or I can figure out another time that Paul or another KW agent is coming out here and get some information if you guys want to look into the lots out at Roystonia and St.Mary by Tower Isle. A lot of them are gone, but there are a great amount of them that are still available. And yeah, like I said, let me know if you want to hear more information, more real estate talk, then just drop a comment down below. We're gonna head back to the cafe later. I know we had to get up out of there real quick to get up here, but it was a great cafe. It was beautiful. Like, it was very nice. The architecture was amazing, and yeah, the history of the building was just also really incredible to learn. But we're up here now, and I'm just gonna head back with the group and yeah, bring some more stuff to you guys. And this Ochi vlog is becoming really great. It's a nice like a road trip to put a part of my summer series. So stay tuned and let me know what else you want to see from me with regards to the summer series in Jamaica. Like I said in a couple videos ago, I had quite a few things already planned. Over to my channel and go to community, the community page. You can see that along with many other posts. So go and let me know. A lot of people answered and told me what they think would be best to do in the summertime in Jamaica. So if you want to participate and hopefully see a video of yours, then go over there and check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hey people, so we're actually checking out another cafe called Ciao Bella. You can see right there, Ciao Bella Art Cafe. I have in there. Isn't this cute? So we're actually gonna head upstairs, but let me show you outside super quick. It's gonna rain. Let's head on up. Let's see what the special is for today. So pretty. I'm not gonna lie, Ochi has some nice art. Ochi has some nice art cafes. Tell us what's it been like? What's life been like since we last saw you?
It's been busy.
Been busy?
So much has been happening in Jamaica. Lots of people buying houses. Lots of people selling houses.
Yes, I was just gonna ask that. Nice. How's the Ala spring water? Refreshing, yeah.
Absolutely refreshing.
Absolutely. That's why mine is almost finished.
Girl, I just want you to know I wish we were best friends. Love never introduce myself on one wish. If you would you be my fool? Promise to love you. Trust you. One wish we would run away. Make you love all day. Have us a baby. One wish to make you a whole life. Yes, I will my wife. Yes, I will this time. So one wish to be a sweet best friend. Wish to have a fancy car. Wish to have $1 million. I wish to know